The bottom line is that if you are younger than 50 and you have family history of breast cancer and you have like history of ovarian cancer, you should really carefully get your BRCA1, BRCA1 genetic test, because if that's positive, you have about 50% chance of getting breast cancer and about 80% chance of getting ovarian cancer. And by prevention removal and doing a surgery before it becomes a problem, we can save your life. And that's really what this month is about, being awareness. And we see firefighters, we see football players, we see the whole world is turning pink, and the awareness is tremendous. There's also a lot of other things going on in this field. If you have had surgery, and this is very exciting to me because we're using genetic tests to find out whether your cancer will come back after breast cancer. And pay attention if you've been diagnosed with breast cancer and you've had treatment. Oncotype DX is a test that analyzes about 21 genes. And basically, it gives you a number. This is a paper that was published in New England Journal of Medicine, that if you fall in a low-risk breast cancer, 99% of the time, if you fall into that, by getting this Oncotype DX, they will give you a statistics. It gives you a number, and it goes from 0 to 100. And if your number is 0 to 10, the risk of recurrence is practically extremely low, almost zero. And you save 16% of the population out there from getting chemotherapy. That's a big deal. If your number is over 18, you may be in a moderate risk and you may need chemotherapy. And certainly over 31, you absolutely have a higher chance of recurrence. And that's really important. So we're using genetic tests to really find out whether you're going to have recurrence or not. And that's important. The other thing that came also to me that was of interest is called tailored screening. Is every breast the same way? And the answer is no. There are breasts that may be more dense, they may have more fibrous, they may have more glands, and they have higher chance of getting breast cancer. And there are some that may have more fat. In fact, the denser the breast tissue is, you can hide the cancer and not be able to find the cancer through regular mammogram. And that's one of the reasons why I think three-dimensional mammograms are absolutely important, and that's something that you need to talk to your family. Plus the fact that now we have drugs that we can give you to shrink the breast cancer and make them more surgically capable. But bottom line, diet control, exercise. If you're not a smoker, please don't smoke. Staying away from alcohol. All of these can affect your risk of breast cancer, and I want you to be well aware of this.